Hi friends, today we'll discuss what is family pension. Normally, pension will be paid after the retirement. It may be 58 years or 68 years. What is family pension? A retirement benefit is passed on to the dependent family members after the death of employee. For example, if employee death happens, then whatever the pension paid to that employee should be given to the family members. There is no condition of minimum service years for the family pension. For example, as an individual, if you are working for a bank, if you are eligible for a pension, then you have to complete minimum years of service. But for the calculation of family pension, there is no minimum service will be calculated for the family pension. Eligibility: an employee who dies while in service, irrespective of the service period, whether he has worked for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, any employee dies, then family will get the family pension. A retired employee who dies and who is receipt of pension, for example, while service, if he dies, then also family members will get the family pension, or after the retirement he is getting pension during that period. If he dies also, family will get family pension. Eligibility amount: 50% of the last drawn pay or twice the ordinary rate, whichever is less, family will get the pension. Tenure of payment, family pension. So, how many years this pension will be paid to the family members? Who will get the family pension? Widow or widower till the date of death or remarriage, they will get the family pension. Son means till he attains 25 years of the age, he will get the family pension. Daughter till marriage or till she attains 25 years of age. Or physically or mentally disabled children is there, then lifetime family pension will be paid to these family members. If wife and husband are employees, one of them dies, then family pension will be given to the other person. If wife dies, then it will be given to the husband. If husband dies, then it will be given to the wife. In case both death, so surviving spouse, in the event of death of survivor spouse, the surviving children will get the two family pensions of their deceased parents. So both are dies, then two family pensions will be given to the family members or children. Calculation of pension: these components will be included for the calculation of pension: basic pay, stagnation increment, fixed personal pay, professional qualification pay, allowance, special pay. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.